exquisite. The show PC Jewelers put up, I think, a really exquisite show. Nupur here designed the jewelry for PC Jewelers, and it was an ode to Royal Rajasthan, a celebration of our fine handicraftsmanship. हमारे देश में इतना सुंदर हाथकारी काम होता है, और आई थिंक आज ये सारी ज्वेलरी जो हमने आज पहन रखी है वो इस बात को का एहसास दिलाती है कि कितने अमीर है हम इन कलाकारों के वजह से। बोलिए।
She is a perfect craft lover, so I think this jewelry is just perfect for her.
And Diya, do you still get butterflies walking around? Because
Yes, I always do. This is my 7th IIJW, but I still get butterflies in my stomach. I think it's just the anticipation of going out there, being in the spotlight, wanting to live up to the expectations of the hard work that not just the designers have put in place, but the कारीगर्स, वो भी देखते हैं। ये उनके लिए बहुत हौसला अफजाई होती है जब ये हमको उनका काम पहना हुआ देखते हैं तो या बटरफ्लाइज तो आते ही हैं बहुत सारे।
आज हम देख सकते हैं काफ़ी हेवी ज्वेलरी आपने पहनी, बट नॉर्मली आपको किस तरह की ज्वेलरी, आप व्हाट टाइप ऑफ ज्वेलरी डू यू प्रेफर?
I think jewelry I usually select based on what the occasion is and of course what my garment is. It's never, I don't know, I just feel that for me jewelry is always about the celebration of the craftsmanship. मैं jewelry कभी इसलिए नहीं पहनती कि मुझे किसी को दिखाना है या you know what I mean, right? It's always about कि कुछ सुंदर देखने को मिला और ये पहनने से उस सुंदरता का हम एक सेलिब्रेशन कर रहे हैं।
ये जानना चाहिए कि जब हम छोटे होते हैं तो हमारे पेरेंट्स हमें कोई ना कोई ज्वेलरी गिफ्ट करते हैं, कोई एक ऐसी,
ये सवाल मैंने पहले आंसर किया है। ऐसी ज्वेलरी है, मेरे मॉम का एक दिया हुआ मेरे पास बहुत पुराना बसरा पर्ल्स का कड़ा है जो उन्होंने अपने सैलरी को इकट्ठा जमा करके ख़रीदा था हैदराबाद में। बसरा पर्ल्स आजकल मिलते नहीं है, बड़े मुश्किल से मिलते हैं, और बहुत ही एक्सक्विजिट पीस है वो। तो मैं बहुत उसे दिल से करीब रखती हूँ क्योंकि एक तो माँ का दिया हुआ है और दूसरा उनके मेहनत की निशानी है। उन्होंने बहुत मेहनत करके पैसे जमा करके वो लिया था।
Something of the jewelry, you're a person who speaks with heart. Your fellow Hyderabadi, Aditi Rao Hydari, recently spoke on pay disparity in Bollywood. You've been associated with Bollywood for more than 1.5 decades. What do you feel about it?
I think it's good that actresses are finally questioning gender disparity, and in that narrative is pay disparity. Having said that, I think what has happened in our industry is that we've always believed that the male actors are frontline projects. They're the ones who deliver a box office result. So the numbers at the box office is what determines their price. Now that I'm a producer, I can say this. Is it fair? No, it's not. Is it true? Yes, it is. Can it change? Yes, it can. How can it change? It can change when audiences start celebrating films that are frontlined by women. So you support them by going to the theatres and making their films super successes, so that then they can demand, actually demand would be the wrong word, they can command the same price as their male counterparts. And we have examples in Deepika Padukone, in Priyanka Chopra, in Kangana Ranaut, Kareena Kapoor, of women in our film industry who've said that they're equally contributing to box office collections, so they deserve to get paid better, and they command the price and they get it.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you.